Hi, this is Carol with Carol Joes, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do for our tutorial tonight. It is what I call the bar bracelets. You create a bar with the circles on it. I just put one focal bead on them. Then you use the faux suede, and then we have the closures here. So I've got it in different styles. I'll show you how to make all three of these tonight. And we're going to pick different beads. So what you're going to need for supplies is some sort of a focal bead. This is just an example. Wire. This is 20 gauge craft wire that is tarnish free. See, then we'll need the faux suede in whatever color. Depending on the ending that you want to do with it, you can do the tube ending here, or you can do the ribbon ending that has the clasps on there. You will need 6mm split rings, a lobster clasp. So that's what you're going to need for your supplies. Tools, I will use a cutter, a pair of scissors, 2 flat nose or chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, split ring pliers, and I use the heavy duty wire cutter and a ruler. So that's what you'll need to follow along with our tutorial tonight. I will be live at 8 p.m. Central here on TikTok and on YouTube. We will keep it recorded, so if you want to go back and watch it, you can watch the recording of the live on YouTube. I hope to see you 8 p.m. Central. Bye.